Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Learn with the Learner. So today we are going to solve the questions in differentiation. Then let's get started. So the first question is, if y equals to x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x, then find dy by dx. So first given function is y equals to x power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Okay. So first, when we have problems in this form, like when we have powers, then it's better if we apply log. But here if we apply log, then it becomes log x plus sin x to the power cos x. Okay, but we don't have any formula like log of a plus b, so it becomes difficult for us to solve this. Then what we should do is, let's assume that u equals to x to the power sin x and v equals to sin x to the power cos x. Okay, we are assuming that, so we can write here y u plus v. Now applying derivative on both sides, dy by dx equals to d by dx of u plus v, which is equals to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Okay, so now we assume u equals to x power sin x. So here we have to find it separately, d by dx of u and d by dx of v. So here now we can apply log, it will become easy. Applying log on both sides, log x to the power sin x. So you know a property that first we will find the derivative of u and then we will find the derivative of v. Okay, so first complete the derivative of u. Here what's the formula of this? Log a to the power b, b log a, right? Here in the form of, in the place of b we have sin x and in the place of a we have x. So sin x into log x. So now he applying derivative on both sides, so differentiating it with respect to x. You should also see with what we are differentiating. Okay, d by dx of log u, d by dx of sin x log x. Okay, now see, it is in the form of d by dx of uv. What is the formula of d by dx of uv? It is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So here in the place of u we have sin x, in the place of v we have log x. So now sin x, here first let's differentiate log u. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. But here in the place of x we have u, so du by dx. So we have to differentiate it again, 1 by u du by dx. Next, sin x, what is dv by dx? It is dv by dx of log x plus v log x, v means log x, d by dx of sin x. Okay, so now 1 by u du by dx equals to sin x. What is d by dx of log x? 1 by x. So before solving differentiation lesson chapter, you should be perfect at formulas, then only you can do problems easily. Okay, because in every step you will get formulas like d by dx of sin x is cos x, d by dx of log x is 1 by x, like that. That's why you should be perfect at formulas. Then d by dx of cos x is, d by dx of sin x is cos x. Okay, so now transposing 1 by u to that side, du by dx, u into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. What is u? X to the power sin x. Sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Okay, what is this? Du by dx. Now we have to find dv by dx, right? So first, what is v? Sin x to the power cos x. From here, sin x to the power cos x. Okay, now applying log on both sides, log v equals to, same the formula is log a to the power b equals to b log a. In the same way, cos x into log sin x. See, here in the place of b we have cos x, in the place of a we have sin x. B coming from cos x into log sin x. Now applying different derivative on both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of log v equals to d by dx of cos x into log sin x. So now d by dx of log v equals to d by dx of cos x into log sin x. Okay. So now what is d by dx of log x? It is 1 by x, but in the place of x we have v, that's why we are differentiating it again. This is also in the same form, d by dx of uv. What is d by dx of uv? U means cos x, d by dx of log sin x, right, plus v log sin x, d by dx of cos x. Okay, see, let me write formula here. D by dx of uv is u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. Now 1 by v into dv equals to cos x. Now what is d by dx of log x? It is 1 by x, but in the place of x we have sin x, so it is cos x. Okay, in the place of, okay, let me write it in next step. D by dx of, what is d by dx of log of sin x? First it is sin x. Why it is sin x? Because d by dx of log, here d by dx of log sin x, log x, generally it is 1 by x, but in the place of x we have sin x, here 1 by sin x, so we have to differentiate it again. Because we don't have x there, we have sin x, plus log sin x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so now cos x 1 by sin x, here d by dx of sin x is cos x. That's what I wrote it here, direct step, that's why I thought to write it again and wrote. So now sin x into log sin x. Okay, so now cos x into cos square x by sin x minus sin x log sin x. Okay, this is 1 by v dv by dx. Now dv by dx equals to, what is v? V is sin x, here transposing v to this side, what it becomes? V into this. So directly putting the value of v here, sin x minus sin x into log sin x. Okay, so now this is d by dx. Now we are finding y equals to, what is dy by dx? Du by dx plus dv by dx, right? So what is du by dx? We got it as, what we got du by dx as x to the power sin x by x plus log x into cos x, plus what is dv by dx? Here we got this sin x to the power cos x cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log sin x. Okay, so this is dy by dx. So the next question is, if sin y equals to x into sin a plus y, then prove that dy by dx equals to sin square a plus y by sin a. Okay, first given it that sin y equals to x into sin a plus y. So x equals to sin y by sin of a plus y. Okay, transposing sin a plus y to this side. Okay, so now differentiating this with respect to y, dx by dy, differentiating with respect to y. Okay, now d by dy of sin y by sin of a plus y. Okay, so now we know a formula, d by dx of u by v is v u dash, means d by dx of u plus, sorry, minus u v, but here we are differentiating it with respect to y, so we will have it in terms of y. Okay, so here this is u and this is v. Now v square, sin square of a plus y, and what is v? Sin of a plus y, and what is d by dx of sin y? So now u, what is u? Sin y, d by dx of sin of a plus y. So now Sine a plus y, sorry, d by dy, here d by dy, okay. D by dy of sine y is cos y, and minus sine y. D by dy of sine of a plus y. What is d by dy of sine? D by dy of sine y, it is cos y. But here we have a plus y. So now we have to differentiate it again. We have to differentiate a plus y again. Okay. Now it is sine square a plus y. Okay. So now sine of a plus y into cos y minus sine y into cos a plus y. So now let's find here it separately. Let's find it here. D by dy of a plus y, right? Now d by dy of a plus d by dy. So what it is? It is 0 plus 1. Okay, here. So what is 0 plus 1? 1. It did not affect this, but sometimes here if you have another value, that may change. So be careful, okay? So now sine square a plus y, okay? So now sine, it is in the form of sine a cos b minus sine b cos a. So what is the formula of that? Sine of a minus b, right? What is a here? A plus y. What is b? Y. Cancelling a plus y. So this is d by dx of dx by dy. This is dx by dy, right? So now what is dx by dy? Sine a by sine square of a plus y. This is dx by dy. So now what is dy by dx from this? We can write it as just reciprocal. Sine square a plus y by sine a. This is dy by dx. That's it. So we have asked to prove that itself. Sine square a plus y by sine a. We got that. So the next problem is, if x to the power y equals to e to the power x minus y, then prove that dy by dx equals to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Okay, so first it is given that x power y equals to e to the power x minus y. Okay, so applying log on both sides. So log x to the power y log e x minus y. So now in the last problem also we used a property log a to b, log b log a. So now y log x equals to x minus y into log e. Generally we will have base it as he. So log a to the a is always 1, right? So it is x minus y. Now differentiating it. First differentiating, so let's do one thing. Y log x, transpose minus y to this side, it will become plus y equals to x. Y of log x plus 1 equals to x, right? Here just we transpose minus y to this side and we took y common from both of these. So what we are left with? Log x, and here 1 equals to x. So now what is y? X by log x plus 1. We just transpose log x plus 1 to the RHS. So it is in multiplication here. It will become denominator here. So now differentiating with respect to x again. Now again the same formula which we used in the last problem. D by dx of u by v is v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v by v square. Okay. So now what is u and v? U is x, v is log x plus 1. So first v log x plus 1 d by dx of x minus what is u? U is x. What is v? D by dx of log x plus 1. So now log x plus 1. What is d by dx of x? 1 minus x into, here we have to write it separately. D by dx of log x plus d by dx of 1. What is d by dx of 1? It is always 0 because d by dx of constant is always 0. V square log x, here square, plus 1 whole square. Okay. So now log x plus 1 x into 1 by x. That's it, because here it is 0, right? Okay, now this x and this can cancel. Here it is 0, so log x plus 0, sorry, 1 by x plus 0, it is 1 by x only. Log x plus 1 whole square. Now log x plus 1 minus 1 by log x plus 1 whole square. Now this and this gets cancelled. Log x by 1 plus log x or log x plus 1. So no difference at all. This is dy by dx. So we are asked to prove this only and we got that. Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Okay, hence proved. So the next question is, if x to the power y equals to y to the power x, then show that dy by dx equals to y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. So now it is given that x to the power y equals to y to the power x. Now applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. So now log xy equals to log yx. Now the property which we used in the last two problems, that is y log x equals to x log y. How it is? Because log a to b equals to b log a. Now differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so dy by dx of y log x equals to d by dx of x log y. Okay, so now it is in the form of d by dx of uv. d by dx of uv. What is the formula of d by dx of uv? It is u d by dx v plus v d by dx u. Okay, here it is u, it is v. Here it is u, it is v. Now u means y, d by dx of log x plus v log x, d by dx of y. So now equals to same u x, d by dx of v log y plus v is log y, d by dx of u means x. Okay, so now d by dx of log x is 1 by x, log x dy by dx. Okay, now d by dx of log y is 1 by y dy by dx, because here we are differentiating it with respect to x, but here we have y, that's why we have to differentiate it again, plus log y dy by dx of x, it is 1. Now writing all the dy by dx terms to a side, log x dy by dx minus x by y dy by dx, and all other terms to a side, transposing to that side. So now taking dy by dx as common, log x minus x by y equals to log y minus y by x. So now what is dy by dx? It is log y minus y by x by log x minus x by y, right? So now doing LCM on the numerator and denominator. Now, so what is LCM here? X. So here x log y, right? Here we have 1. So here we should get x, no, x minus, I think you know how to do LCM. So y, here y is the LCM. Now y log x minus x. So now y, this goes to the numerator. Why it goes to numerator? Always the denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator. X log y minus y. And here x remains the same. Here it goes to the denominator. Y log x minus x. So did we get what we are asked to prove? Yes, we got y into x log y minus y, x y log x minus x here. So hence proved. We proved it. So the next question is, if x to the power log x equals to log x, then show that dy by dx equals to y into 1 minus log x into log y by x into log x whole square. Okay, so it's given that x power log x, can you see it? Yeah, x power log x equals to log x. So now applying log on both sides, because to remove this, applying log on both sides. Log of x to the power log x equals to log of log x. So applied log on both sides. Now this is same as the problem. Log x comes to front into log x, log x into log x, into log of log x. Okay, so log x into log x, it is, sorry, it is actually not log x, it is log y. Okay, log y, log y, log y. Now log y into log x equals to log of log x. Differentiating it with respect to x. Now d by dx of log y into log x, d by dx of log x. Fine. Now this is same as d by dx of uv. What is the formula of d by dx of uv? U d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. So now this is u, this is v. Now u means log y, d by dx of v means log x, plus v is log x, d by dx of u is log y. Now log y, d by dx of log x is 1 by x, plus log x, d by dx of log y is 1 by, we are only differentiating RHS, we should differentiate LHS also. So now, sorry, we are only differentiating this, we should differentiate d by dx of log x also. D by dx of log y is 1 by y dy by dx, because we are differentiating it with respect to x and we have y here. So this is the differentiation of only d by dx of log y into log x. Now we should differentiate d by dx of log x. Okay, so this is d by dx of log x is 1 by x, but here in the place of x we have log x, so we have to differentiate it again, right? Log x. Now 1 by log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So now from this, from here we should equate the both, we should equate this and this. Okay, now log y by x plus log x by y dy by dx equals to 1 by x log x. Is it okay? Are we doing it correctly? Log y log x plus log x dy by dx. Right, now here log x. Fine. Now dy by dx equals to log x into dy by dx equals to 1 by x log x minus log y by x, and this is okay, dy by dx equals to 1 by x 1 by log x minus log y by x by 1 by y into log x. Okay, so now 1 by x log x minus log y by x by 1 by. So now what we are doing is 1 by log x. Let's do LCM of x log, yeah, let us write it as, okay, so now 1 by y log x. Okay, now y goes to the numerator, y 1 by x log x minus log y by x, it's y by x, it's whole by 1 by only log x, right? So now what is the LCM of x log x and x here? That is x. So okay, actually it is log y by, it is whole, x is whole, here also it is whole. So LCM of x log x and x is x log x, right? X log x. Now 1 minus what we don't have here, log x, that's why log, and this goes to the, okay, let it be like this, let's write it in next step. Now y 1 minus log x into log y, here x, this goes to the denominator, log x whole square, log x into log x whole square. This is RHS here. So the mistake that we did here is Here it's not, it's log y by x. See, log y into 1 by x means log y by whole x. Log y whole x. So here also log y whole by x. Log y by x. So here log y by x, log y by x, y by x everywhere. This is RHS, hence proved. So the next question is, if y equals to 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3 plus into 1 plus 3x, okay, let it be something. 1 minus 2. So it seems complex to you, but it becomes very simple by just applying log. Okay. Now applying log on both sides. Log y equals to log of 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x, 3 by 4 by 1 minus 6x, 5 by 6 into 1 plus 7x minus 6 by 7. Okay. Now, what is the formula of log a by b? Log of a by b equals to log a minus log b, right? Now, it is log of 1 minus 2x to the 3, 1 plus 3x to the power 3 by 4 minus log b, 1 minus 6x, 5 by 6, 1 plus 7x minus 6 by 7. Okay. Now, this is like log ab. Log ab. What is the formula of log ab? Log a plus log b, right? Now, this is a, this is b. Now, log a is 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3 plus log b is 1 plus 3x 3 by 4 minus same log a plus log b. Now, this is log a to the power b. It is b log a. Now, b log a. 1 minus 2x plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 comes front. 1 plus. We did it in last problems. So, I am not writing the formula again. Minus 5 by 6 log 1 minus 6s. This is just solving this complexity and we are not differentiating it now. Okay. After solving, after making it simpler, we will differentiate it. Minus. Because here we have minus, it becomes minus. Now, multiplying the minus. Multiplying this minus 5 by 6 log 1 minus 6x minus in minus plus 6 by 7 log 1 plus 7x. Okay. Now, this is y. Now, we have to differentiate it. Okay. We did not do differentiation till now. Now, we have to differentiate it. Dy by dx. D by dx of 2 by 3. Okay, let's write it in other page. So, now, d by x of 2 by 3 log, writing differentiation for each term. 2 by 3 log 1 minus 2x plus d by dx 3 by 4 log 1 plus 3x minus d by dx of 5 by 6 log of 1 minus 6x plus d by dx of 6 by 7 log 1 plus 7x. So now d by dx of kx is, if constant is within the differentiation, then we should bring it outside. Okay. Now 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7 comes out. So now 2 by 3 d by dx of log 1 minus 2x plus 3 by 4 d by dx log 1 plus 3x minus 5 by 6 comes out, d by dx log 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 7 d by dx 1 plus 7x, right? So now d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So but nowhere we have x. So we have to differentiate each and everything again. Now 2 by 3 d by dx of log x is 1 by x, means 1 minus 1, 2x. But we don't have x here, so we have to differentiate it again. 2x plus 3 by 4. What is d by dx of log x? 1 by x. So d by dx of 1 plus 3x. Now minus 5 by 6. What is d by dx of log x? 1 by x. But we have to differentiate it again. Why? Because in the place of x we have 1 minus 6x or 1 minus 2x. So we have now d by dx 1 by 1 plus 7x. Now we have to differentiate it again. So now 2 by 3, 1 by 1 minus 2x. Now differentiating d by dx of 1. Okay, let me write it separately for each term. 2x plus 3 by 4, 1 plus 3x, d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of 3x minus 5 by 6 into 1 minus 6, d by dx of 1 minus d by dx of 6x plus 6 by 7, 1 by 1 plus 7x, d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of 7x. So now 2 by 3, 1 minus 2x. What is d by dx of constant? It is 0. Okay, so let it be 0. Minus 2 comes out and d by dx of x, it is 1. So not required. 3 by 4, 1 by 1 plus 3x. d by dx of 1 is 0. Always. d by dx of constant is always 0. Now d by dx of 3x. 3 comes out and d by dx of x is 1. So it's not required to write that. Plus minus 5 by 6 into 1 minus 1 by 6. d by dx of 1 is 0. And what is d by dx of 6x? It is 6. Here we have minus. Now 1 by 1 minus x. d by dx of 1 is 0. Minus d by dx of 6x. It is minus 6. Okay. Because 6 comes out. Here we have minus and d by dx of x is 1. So it's not required to write that. 6 by x. 1 by 1 plus x. d by dx of 1 is 0. Plus 7 comes out. Here 7 comes out, d by dx of x. It is 1. That's it. So now 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3, 1 minus 2x. Plus 3 into 3, 9. By 4, 1 plus 3x. Minus 6 and 6 cancel, minus into minus plus. 5 by 1 minus 6. Now 7 and 7 cancel. Actually here 0 plus 7, 0 plus 7 is 7. We should not cancel anything which is in place, but here 0 plus 7 becomes 7. That's why we can cancel. Plus 6 of 1 plus 7x. Right? This is what we got. This is the solution of that question. Do some other questions in the next video. So this is for now. And please join our Telegram channel too, because we have uploaded notes there. It will be useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.